When we first announced the features we were planning on kickstarting for the Switch version of Barony, we took a survey asking what current fans of the game were most excited about. We already knew that the UI needed some improvement to work well on a gamepad, but apparently, more than any other feature, when people think about an overhauled UI, they become overwhelmed with euphoria. Yeah, the current UI has some issues, it's not pretty, and there are things about it that are hard to use, especially for multiplayer. So the lobby experience and character creation were my focuses when I first started on a redesign for the game's UI. In UI design, there's something called wireframing, where you put together black and white boxes basically just to test layout ideas before you try to make it work and then look nice. When I started, the big idea was to have a combined lobby and character creation screen where you could pick all the qualities of your character on one page, all while letting people join the game and set up the server settings. Or if you were joining a game, you could mess with your character after you were joined. I wanted people to be able to make a different character choice based on what their friends were doing without having to back all the way out of the game like you have to do now. I got through a layout I was mostly happy with, and then I realized that none of it would work for split screen. So it became more of a challenge. How do we let 4 players seamlessly select everything about their characters, all while sharing a lobby together on one screen? So I totally changed approaches. I took a look at some other games like Spelunky, Arrowhead's Gauntlet, and Helldivers, some great 4-player couch co-op games that I really feel solved this problem well, and I gave it another stab. The best thing about designing the UI to make sure this can be done in split screen is that it means we can use the same experience everywhere, and you should be able to see what all your friends are selecting in real time, whether you're sharing a screen with them or not. It's smart for us because it means we only have to redo the character creation and lobby experience one time. Once these wireframes are done, that's when we can start testing it in-game and see what works about it and what doesn't, before we go through the expense of making a bunch of pretty art for it and making it look as good as it feels to play. So we just want to tackle things in the right order and make sure we're getting the most bang for our buck, while also giving you the best experience that we can provide.